Hello everyone, we have performed some preliminary analysis, that means the demographic analysis on the categorical variable on the demographic variable. Then we have calculated the composite score for each of our latent variables. After that we have determined the descriptive statistics, mean, standard deviation, skewness and kurtosis and so on. Now we will calculate the multicollinearity because we have one independent variable, that means the intention or endogenous construct, and we have three exogenous constructs. Maybe there are some high correlation in among the three independent constructs or exogenous constructs. So this high correlation may affect the the results that we will get from the structural equation modeling. That's why before proceeding to the structural equation modeling or SEM, we have to test that whether any multicollinearity or high correlation among the independent variable exists in this study or in this dataset or not. So for doing so, we have to go to analyze, then from the analyze we have to go to regression and go to linear. From here in the dependent column, you have to give the intention variable, and in the dependent column you have to give the three independent variables. And from the statistics, I am not selecting anything, I am selecting just the collinearity diagnostics, and press continue and press OK. So here is the result. Just I will use this particular result. Here you can see the collinearity statistics. It is BIF, another one is tolerance. These two values will help you to determine whether there is any high autocorrelation or high correlation among the three constructs. So I copy this table and paste it in our findings chapter. So here is the result presented, and here is the definition. It is said that multicollinearity test is performed to assess any high correlation. That means any high correlation exists among the independent variables. There's three independent, or what can I say, you can tell it independent variables or exogenous constructs, no problem. Then because such high correlation may influence the result from the model estimation, so we are using two measures. One is BIF, another is tolerance. So it is suggested by the previous research that BIF should be less than 5. So we see that all the BIF variance inflation factor are less than 5, and the tolerance value should be higher than 0.1. So all the three tolerance value higher than 0.10. Thereby, basing on the suggestion by the previous researcher, we can say that our highest BIF is 3.387 and all the tolerance value fall in the accepted level. Thereby, we can confirm that the presence of multicollinearity is not a problem in this particular study, and we can proceed with this dataset to the structural equation modeling using SmartPLS.